While preparing to wrap some Christmas presents, I found a box stuck in the pile. Apparently I got lost in the mail shuffle in my house. And at the same time, picking up the mail, I found the December Dungeon Crate box. Now we're going to have a decent amount of unboxings to do today. I'm John, and you're watching Dragons and Flagons. So my room is still a hot mess because of Christmas presents, but we're going to make do where we can. Here we are with our Dungeon Crate. This is the November box. Let me just confirm. It does say 1127 postage up here. So let's give this thing a cut. And we'll close our knife for safety's sake. All right. Here we go. As always, we have our wonderful paper. Let's see what we got. Right out of the gate, we have a mini. I love minis. Can't have enough. What did we get here? Get this in focus. Looks like some guy with a sword. Maybe a barbarian. He's got a little ponytail on him. Kind of nice. And another mini. Savage World's Reaper. The Prairie Tick Queen. Alright. Bag of dice. Looks like they are black marbled dice. Let's see if I can get a little closer here. Just a normal set of D20, or a normal, 7 set of dice here. We've got another, oh, I can hear people coming down the stairs. We've got another great looking, this one's got a much bigger tip than the last time. Look at that, that's nice. Kind of firm. Good paintbrush for mini painting. Now that I've got a new mini that I've got to get taken care of here. It's a pretty hefty D20, it looks like. Let's open it up. Man, I'm struggling with this one. Because it's a bag and a bag. This one up. Lots of bags this time. It is a metal D20. Let's see if we can... It's probably loud there, but yeah, it's shiny, it's metal, it's gold. It's kind of nice. Start training it early. That's how it's done, Rivers. Train them early. Alright, we've got another sticker here. It's a nice little, maybe elvish scenic scene or something. Some grid paper. Make some quick dungeons. Yeah, he's even dungeon mapper. Nice little grid paper, a whole little deck of it. Quickly make some grids, or as a player you could potentially use this to map out a dungeon if you're theater of the minding it. Oh, alright, so here's our secret code to get the Dungeon Crates online stuff. And then 3 more bookmarks. I love bookmarks. I am a book reader, whether it's a Cobalt Press book or whatever. And they come with little tiles on the back that you can put minis on if you're in a bind. Looks like a little duck. My daughter collects these things, so it's a little dragon duck. Squishy, nice. And, oh, what are these things? They keep doing this to me. Alright, so there's the dead version, and it looks like we have some sort of food, a little pumpkin, sausage, not really certain what those things are, and then tomatoes and some glob of something, and then the dead version on the back. Again, probably incredibly aggravating to cut out. And levels 1 through 3, food fight, top chef. So, yeah, some sort of food fight encounter adventure of some sort. Does it say if it's an encounter? It's in medium difficulty. Written by Wayne Brecky. I think I say that wrong every time I read that name. It's not the first time I recognize it. And I think that is it. One thing you gotta make sure you do, if you get the dungeon crates, is take your crate coins off, mail them in. I have a pile of them, I need to do that, but I haven't done it. So I didn't mind this November dungeon crate too much. It was actually pretty good. I mean, we have some stickers, as always, tons of paper products. I personally like these little grid pads. You can use them for notes, you can use them to draw out a dungeon real quick, or to map if you're Theater of the Minding it or whatever it is. Personal highlights for me, last place for me would be the minis. These are great. I love minis. You can't have enough of them. The Tick Queen, the more I look at this one, I don't know if it's too bright. But yeah, it's got really good detail to it. Next up is a tie between my new bag of dice and a little squishy duck thing. I think I've got another one of those ducks sitting up there. So this one's definitely going to a kiddo. Maybe it's a stocking stuffer or something. I don't know. Tied for first, I personally really love these brushes they've given now 2 months in a row. You can see the last one. I keep checking my my screen over here to make sure I'm on film, but it's got a good grip. It's a nice brush. It'll definitely go to my collection of brushes. And then this metal D20, it's solid. It's just nice. What did you think of this one? Was it worth it? Would you be excited to receive any of this stuff? Was November better or worse than October? If you don't remember, maybe go back and check out the October one. Shameless plug there. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you like this stuff, if you like this type of content, and if you got this far and you enjoy watching this, please subscribe, do all the normal YouTube things, and happy gaming.